What if I told you that you could make thousands of dollars from YouTube without showing your face, without using your voice, without ever filming a single video yourself? Sounds like a scam, right? Well, it's not. It's called Faceless YouTube Automation, and today we're breaking it down step by step. What it is, how it works, real-life examples, and just how much money you can actually make doing this. So stick around, because this could be your ticket to building a profitable online business. Faceless YouTube Automation is a business model where creators run YouTube channels without ever showing their face or even recording their own voice. It's all about outsourcing and automation. Here's how it typically works. You choose a niche like finance, motivation, tech, or celebrity news. Then you hire freelancers or use AI tools to write scripts, generate voiceovers, source visuals, and edit everything into one polished video. Some people do this solo using AI. Others build full teams to run it like a business. The goal is to build a passive income machine that earns money even while you sleep. Why is this model getting so popular? Here are 5 big reasons. 1. No need for personal branding or being a YouTube personality. 2. You stay completely anonymous. 3. It's highly scalable. You can run multiple channels. 4. You can outsource everything. 5. It has a low barrier to entry thanks to AI tools. Channels like WatchMojo and Top 10s pave the way. Now, people are replicating the model on smaller scales and still seeing big success. Here's how a typical faceless automation process works from start to finish. Step 1. Pick a niche. Make sure it has high demand and good monetization. Step 2. Write a script or use an AI tool like ChatGPT to do it for you. Step 3. Generate a voiceover using 11 Labs, Muff, or Speechelo, or hire a voice actor. Step 4. Use stock video sites like Pexels, Pixabay, or Storyblocks to find visuals. Step 5. Edit your video with tools like CapCut, Premiere, or even Pictory. Step 6. Upload your video and use SEO tools to optimize your title, tags, and description. Once this process is dialed in, you can repeat it over and over again, even automate multiple uploads per week. Now, how much money can you actually make with a faceless YouTube channel? Let's break it down. The first and most common source of income is AdSense. Once you hit 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, your channel can start earning from ads. The amount you earn per 1,000 views is called CPM. CPM depends on your niche. Finance and investing can pay over $15 to $25 per 1,000 views. Education can range from $5 to $12. Entertainment is usually lower, around $1 to $5. For example, a finance video that gets 100,000 views could make you between $1,500 and $2,500 from ads alone. Next, you have sponsorships. Brands will pay you to feature or mention their product. Even with just 10,000 subscribers, some creators earn $200 to $1,000 per sponsored video. Third, there's affiliate marketing. You promote products in your video description and get a commission for every sale. This is huge in tech, software, and finance niches. And fourth, some creators sell digital products like ebooks or courses related to their niche. Let's talk real numbers. One YouTuber shared that their faceless finance channel made $38,000 in a single month from AdSense. And that's not including sponsorships or affiliate deals. It's all possible when the content is high quality and consistently delivered. Of course, it's not all sunshine and easy money. There are challenges to be aware of. First, getting monetized can be tricky. If YouTube thinks your content is reused or low quality, they may reject your application. Second, your content has to hold attention. Low watch time means poor performance. Third, the costs can add up. Hiring a writer, voice actor, and editor might cost $50 to $200 per video. Fourth, YouTube can issue copyright strikes if you use the wrong footage or music. So be careful. This is a real business and it requires real strategy. Want to start your own faceless channel? Here's how. Step 1. Pick a niche that's profitable and that you understand. Step 2. Study successful channels in that niche. Step 3. Create your first script using AI or your own writing. Step 4. Use an AI voice tool to record narration. Step 5. Download royalty-free visuals and begin editing. Step 6. Create a custom thumbnail using Canva or Photoshop. Step 7. Upload, optimize, and repeat. Start slow. One video per week is enough in the beginning. Focus on improving your skills. As you get more comfortable, you can outsource parts of the process and scale. Over time, your channel can become a real asset that earns you income month after month. Faceless YouTube Automation is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a long-term strategy that combines smart content, automation tools, and consistent effort. If you're serious and stay consistent, you can build a channel that brings in passive income and even replace your full-time job. Remember, every big channel started with 0 subscribers. The sooner you start, the sooner you can grow. If you're interested in starting your own faceless YouTube channel but don't know where to begin, I can help. I offer professional YouTube automation services on Fiverr, including scriptwriting, voiceovers, video editing, and full channel setup. Whether you're starting from scratch or looking to scale, I can handle the entire process for you. Just search for my Fiverr profile or check the link in the description to get started.